Benin, officially the Republic of Benin, is a country located in West Africa. It was formerly known as Dahomey and gained its independence from France in 1960. Benin is bordered by Togo to the west, Nigeria to the east, Burkina Faso to the northwest, and Niger to the northeast. The capital city is Porto Novo, but the largest city and economic center is Cotonou. Benin has a population of approximately 13 million people and is one of the poorest countries in the world. The economy is primarily based on agriculture, with cotton being the largest export. Other important industries include textiles, food processing, and construction. The history of Benin is rich and complex. The Kingdom of Dahomey, which existed from the early 17th century to the late 19th century, was known for its powerful army, human sacrifice, and the role of women in society. In the late 19th century, France colonized the region, and Dahomey became part of French West Africa. After gaining independence in 1960, Benin experienced several periods of political instability, including coups and dictatorships. However, in recent years, the country has made progress towards democracy and has held several successful elections. Benin is known for its vibrant culture, which includes music, dance, and art. The country is home to several ethnic groups, each with its own traditions and customs. The national language is French, but many other languages are also spoken, including Fon, Yoruba, and Mina.